and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Brandie Channail coming to you with another video, and I'm really excited. Today I have a luxury video for you guys. This is a little bit different than anything I've done on my channel before because it is luxury. It's a little bit more on the higher spectrum of pricing, but the quality is 100% worth it. So I want to share something with you all today. It is a jewelry piece, and I do know the state of the world. I am very cognizant of that, but we do still have moments that are coming up that are commemorative, like Mother's Day, and people are still graduating. Whether we're able to gather for those events, those events are still taking place. Those moments are still happening. So this is just a great way to commemorate those and share love through the way of gift giving. And I just want to show you some options and give you an alternative to your gift giving options. So I have a luxury item for you today. I do want to thank Esdomera for gifting us with our item for today. This is the packaging. Look at this. First of all, this is super cute. I love this. You guys know I'm big on packaging. Either I like it to be very minimal and sleek and nice, but when you're going all out, you kind of gotta go all out. And sometimes, especially for the price of things, when you're doing luxury, you want all the extras. You know what I'm saying? And so I think this is very fitting for the products that you have in here and the quality of such. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and again, it's from Esdomera, and it says making your life shiny, which we love some shiny on this channel, right? And so what I love about this is that this is the box, and then you turn it this way and you can pull on this little tab here, and you have all this beautiful pretty paper in here. Y'all know that purple is my favorite color, so you've got that lavender paper on the inside of there. But check out this. Y'all, I'm just weird, but I love this gingham on the inside of this box, and I love how it's a contrasting color. So that's really nice. I love that. And so here we are. Here's the inside of our box, and real quick, let's pull out the side, the stuff that's on the side. You get this beautiful like velour bag for your jewelry, and it just says Esdomera on it. I love it. It feels so luxe. I love these little things. And then of course you also get this little envelope here that is like a matte black, and it also has matte black writing on it, but you can kind of see it a little bit. Just says the brand name. This is gonna be your, now this is how you know you fancy, okay? This is the first jewelry piece that we actually have an authenticity card for, you guys. So with this piece you get a warranty ID, and you also get an authenticity card. This is the San Jenny Co. LLC lifetime warranty and certificate of authenticity. So that's how you know it's legit. You hear words like lifetime warranty and certificate of authenticity, you know it's real, okay? So the piece that we have for you today is a great alternative to diamonds. So if you're somebody who, for one reason or another, is against diamonds, or you don't want diamonds, this is a great alternative to them. They're just as good quality, and they actually shine a little bit more. So they are created moissanites, and they can be pretty pricey as well. So they're right up there with the quality of a diamond without all of the, but because it's created, you don't have the sourcing issues that you tend to have with diamonds, okay? So that is really great, and I love that. And so it does tell you about the Esdomera lifetime warranty of the gemstones on the back here, which is really good. So I thought that was real fancy, and I was here for it, you guys. I love that. So next, let's go ahead and get into the piece itself. So it comes in this just plain black box here. I'm gonna pull it out. And here is the actual piece that the ring is in. I love it. It's like this soft touch, like pewter gray, deep gray color. And it just has this gold writing on it. Very nice. And you open it up, and there is your piece. You guys, do you see this? Look at the sparkle and shine on this. That is gorgeous. So you guys know that I am into rings. I like the bling, and I like to have bigger rings because my fingers are pretty big, and I just think that they're more flattering to my hand. And so when I saw this one, I thought I had to have it because it's just gorgeous. This is an infinity ring. So you have the moissanites all the way around it. It's gorgeous. It's heavy. Okay, this piece is so weighted. It is such good quality. It's when I opened it, I was like, what? It is so luxe, like so luxe. It's very weighted, very nice. I don't even think you can really see the brilliance on it. I don't even think you can see how much it sparkles. Like, this thing is gorgeous. It is actually 14 karat gold. So unlike the other pieces that I've shown you on my channel that have been sterling silver, this is actually 14 karat white gold. And the moissanites are just so gorgeous. And of course, with their lifetime warranty, you know, that definitely gives you some security in your purchase. But look at that. This is one of my favorite pieces to date. The quality, I've not had anything like it. I have to say it is on the pricey side. It is definitely luxury. And I will of course compare some of the, you know, bigger brands that you're used to with this one, so that you can kind of see, you know, how moissanite shapes up and compares with diamonds, so that you can have that information and be well informed on your purchase. But you guys, this thing is luxe, and it is the top of the top as far as quality is concerned. So I'm very happy with this. I'm very happy with the packaging, very happy with, you know, the doing business with them. It was smooth sailing. The shipping was very quick. The quality of my product, my ring, is phenomenal. And of course, with that lifetime warranty, I just feel so secure. You guys, you don't wanna miss this. So of course I will have the code here for you. I'll also link everything down below for you so that you can check them out, see what kind of pieces. Like I said, there's a wide variety and range of price on their website. So I'm sure you can find something that works for you and that you like. I mean, literally, there were so many options to choose from. And of course, it is an alternative, especially for wedding sets and all of that. All of that is available on their site. So you guys be sure and check them out. And again, I want to thank Esdomera for sending me this beautiful piece of jewelry. It is definitely one piece that I will keep in my collection and probably pass down to my daughter, because it is that great. It is that beautiful. It is that good of quality. And of course, because there's a lifetime warranty, I can do that. You know what I'm saying? So you guys, you really do get what you pay for sometimes. And I do know that I'm always talking about affordability, but when it comes to quality and luxury, sometimes it is worth, you know, the higher price tag. So you guys, make sure that you check them out. I love you guys so much. Make sure that you are taking care of yourselves and your families. Make sure that you are doing whatever you need to do to secure your health. And you guys pray for me. I'll continue to pray for you. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.